Okay, uh, now let's see some examples of how to write data and how to read the data with some conditions and without conditions. So yesterday we discussed about some commands in the programming, like how to open the file and how to write, how to read that. Now let's see that practically. Uh, Input to read the data, and here is the input syntax here, channel number, then the list of variables. We can also use a line input if we want to read the entire line, and that also can be used there. UF, it stands for end of file, and it simply says that whether the file it has been ended or not, means is there further record to be read or not. So that is uh, informed by the UF. We can also will see that some programs using UF, using input or the line input, and to display obviously we have to use the print command here, and to close we have to use the close. Here are the some programs we have here. Now we'll see some of the programs practically by writing input dollar function. So it is also a function and it helps us to read particular set of characters from a specified file, like so 2 it is the name of file, and 12 means how many characters we want to read that. We have to mention it here. Alternately we have also this method, opening and writing, like for reading we use simply I letter, and this is the channel number, and this is the file name. Similarly, if we are going to store data, then we have to use O letter instead of writing that output. Then this is the channel number, and this is the file name, and so on. So this and we have some other commands here. Files, it lists all the files stored on this particular maybe drive there. We can use in this way. In a programming window we can mention the files, then yes, it displays all the QBasic program files. CSDR, changing the directory. If we are in particular directory, we want to shift to any other directory, then we have to go for CSDR, and nothing we have to do there. Just we have to put the CSDR and give the name of directory we want to go to. mkdir, to make a directory we have to use mkdir. It's very simple. We can also give the path name. rmdir means remove the directory. We can remove the directory here. Name as means to change the name of our data file or the directory. We can use for both. First we have to give the name of old name of that file we are using that, then as, then the new file name. So looks like this one, Baneba and the Dhulikhel. Now this file Baneba it becomes dhulikhel.bash. Kill, if mostly when we go for update, delete, uh, deletion of some files we are working with, then we have to go for the kill command. So means to delete the file if it is not in use. Shell, the console part, it becomes a shell where we run our commands, so that is called shell. So very simple, nothing more we have to do there. And system, it is to close the QBasic programming window. Yes, sir. Now let's see some programs with reading and writing. Okay, then we'll go for the exercise. Let's see here. Let's write some informations there. 3 hours open Let's give the file name information dot dat for output as channel number 5. So here I forward T. Now let's input here, enter student's name, dollar, input, enter student's address, this one, input, enter students. Great. That's all. After that, uh, we have to write the data in this data file information.dat. So what we have to do here, write channel number, that is must be same 5. We have mentioned 5 there. Let's mention 5 here, comma, name of variable. Great. That's all. Let's close the file. Channel number 5 here. Let's give a message. Int. Let's save it first. Let's give a name here. Student details. Yes. Okay. Let's run the program. So student Raman, address, ATM, grade. So record is stored. Now really the record is stored or not? How to know that? For that, let's go to QBasic folder here, information.dat. Where is the information? Here is information.dat. Let's open it in Notepad. So here is the record we have stored. It's very simple. Now if we want to edit, so same file, now we have to change it. Input channel number. Let's make this all part comment here. After that, instead of write, we have to use input channel number. That's it. Print name equals to name dollar, then address equals to address dollar, then grade equals to grade. Great, huh? Great. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Let's save it and let's run it. So here is the output. So look here, Raman address KTF and the grade 10. In very simple way we can write a grade. And if we have any condition, then we can put the condition after this printing and before we print them on the screen, and that's all. Any questions here? No questions. Okay. Tomorrow again we'll be discussing some more programs related to this reading and writing. 2-3 programs so we'll see there in loop, UF, etc. Then we'll move to some examples of solution of some other questions there. Okay. Thank you.